Hello and what is up everyone, today we are playing Car Wash Empire, so I'll give you an update. So I unlocked the white car, the ambulance and the fuel tanker, and I have bought a triple thing, and now we have got 5 cars that can line up in 1, 2, 3, they're going to be 4 here and 2 in that lane. And then we have the traffic frequency. I have 5, and while you were offline, I was offline. I collected $62 basically nearly. So I may as well, spend it all. So the most exciting part I have is stations to get to level 28, because I wanted, that's my goal. I wanted to get it, and I also want to unlock this shop. I know what it is, but I'm not gonna tell you because it would ruin it. So I'll wait until we get 100k. Alright guys, so I'm back. We just got a few more, so what I'm gonna do is hopefully I'm gonna upgrade the traffic frequency to 11. But I'm really poor at. But I'm gonna make a lot of money because there's a lot of cars that are gonna be here now. So that's good for me. But it may not be good for you. Good for actually, it'll be good for everyone. Because more people can get their cars washed. More people will be able to. And look at this. Look how frequent. This is the max amount of people. The max amount of people in the lane is actually only 3 or 2. Ambulance. Look at, it's the white cars. That's the ambers. So cool. So it's like they just look at all they go to the shopping center. Okay, so collect the K. I have just a few things to do. And that is to upgrade the size, because the size also upgrades the price. So I have not upgraded the price one time. So that's what I did. Alright, so I'll see if anything's fine. And yeah, let's call it a day. So you may have not seen, I've got 3 lanes. I did that while I was off cam because not really interesting. So yeah, prestige. Reset your car wash and increase your income. 6.5. No, I'm not cheating. I'm not gonna cheat. And cheating counts as, so like the race car ad or the rain one where the cars keep coming. So okay, we're gonna record that one. So the first thing I want to do personally is upgrade this. Yes, 8. And then wait for a few more seconds. Look, its size. Now we have the big rollers at the end. The soap rollers. Well, no, they're basically just water. Water comes out of it and then it gets big rub. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure it's a heater. Like, not a heat, an air blower too. So, look at traffic. It is going nice. So wait a few seconds, then we'll be back. Guys, we're at level 20 now. So, what's that? Nope. So I'm gonna upgrade the size, and then, I'm gonna wait until I get 25, and then I'll get back to you. 25 or 28, okay? So, peace out. Well, not peace out for the video, but peace out for 1 second. Hello, guys, I'm back. So, we can finally buy this thing. It's a tire shop. Oh, yeah. So, what I'm trying to buy is the size. So, we're going to make it huge. So, we get a lot of vehicles. So, and this is what I'm going to do now. Frequency, just so much. And also line, it can hold more. Yeah, boy. Is it raining? No, that is the frequency. Oh my goodness. I wish you would turn it around and we could see how it comes out the other side. So cool. So this will be it for this video. We got 25. So see you later, guys. Adios. See you later.